I call it aggressive negotiations.
You're wrong. No.
What do you mean?
You gonna use one of your Jedi mind tricks on me?
What if the democracy we thought we were serving no longer exists?
What's happening?
So this is how liberty dies. With thunderous applause.
How could you even say that? I don't believe what I'm hearing. Anakin, you're breaking my heart. My goodness, you've grown. I want to know who's trying to kill me.
I don't wish to hold you up. I'm sure you have a great deal to do. I do not like this idea of hiding.
I think it would be wise if you took advantage of my knowledge in this instance.
We live in a real world. Come back to it.
I'm a senator.
You're a funny little boy.
I'm sorry.